안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Do you have trouble in making traditional kimchi? Today I'll introduce to you a simplified and delicious alternative, kkaktugi kimchi. This recipe skips the pickling, the brining process, ensuring a quick and tasty outcome. Are you ready to begin? Start by peeling the white radish with a vegetable peeler. Trim both sides of the radish and cut it into 1-inch thick rounds. It will be much easier to make a thick cut if you thinly slice one side of the radish and place it on the board with that side down. This way it won't roll and will stay in place. Cube the radish into medium-sized dice. Then transfer them to the tray. As mentioned, we'll skip the salting process. Prepare a large plastic bag and place the radish into the bag. Now, season it with salt, brown sugar, Korean Chili Flakes, gochugaru, and mix them thoroughly until the radish is coated evenly with chili flakes. When making kimchi, it's always better to first color the radish with the red chili flakes and then add the seasoning to it. Combine apple juice, cooked rice, salted shrimp, 새우젓, fish sauce, a few cloves of garlic, and ginger. Blend the mixture until it reaches a smooth consistency. These ingredients are used to season the kimchi and facilitate the fermentation process. This is the secret ingredient that will add flavor and depth to this kimchi. I'll be using a piece of dried kelp, dashima. Wipe the dried kelp with a clean, wet towel and cut it into small pieces and add it to the kimchi, and then pour the prepared seasoning over the kimchi. Okay, now mix the ingredients well and then seal the plastic bag and let it sit at room temperature. Allow it to rest for 4 hours in the summer and 8 hours in winter to initiate the fermentation process. Alternatively, you can use a container. Here, I have the kimchi that was made like 5 minutes ago. And over here, this is the kimchi that I made last evening. You might know that kimchi needs to be fermented. After making this kimchi, don't forget to leave in a room temperature for about between 6 to 12 hours. I'll try one and let you know how it tastes like. Can you hear that? Super crunchy. I'm going to put it in a refrigerator and it keeps up to 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.